It's raining outside and very late. I love that soothing sound. I look outside my window, and there's not a soul around. The world is probably sleeping and dreaming of a brand new day. People will wake in the morning, and all is washed away. It's obvious that life goes on, and we'll see a new tomorrow. We'll try to find some happiness and maybe avoid some sorrow. This is what I think about when I'm lying in my bed, trying to keep optimistic and good thoughts in my head. Tomorrow, hopefully, the sun will shine. Feel happiness without pain. No matter what tomorrow brings, tomorrow night, hoping rain.